Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious split pea soup. First, let us talk about preparing your peas. Soaking dried split peas overnight is a crucial step that dramatically cuts down on cooking time. Before soaking, make sure to rinse them thoroughly under cool water to remove any dust or small particles. For every 1 cup of dried split peas, you will want to use about 3 cups of water for the soaking process. This simple preparation ensures a smoother cooking experience. Next, we build the foundational flavors for our soup. Begin by sautéing your aromatic vegetables, such as finely diced onions, carrots, and celery, in a large pot until they become wonderfully softened and fragrant. This step brings out their natural sweetness. Then, introduce your choice of protein. Adding diced ham or a savory ham hock will infuse the soup with a rich, smoky depth. Cook the ham for a few minutes, allowing its delicious essence to truly develop. Now, it is time to bring everything together for a gentle simmer. Combine your pre-soaked peas, the beautifully sautéed vegetables, and the flavorful ham in a large, sturdy pot. Pour in about 6 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, ensuring all the ingredients are well covered. Allow the soup to simmer gently over medium-low heat for approximately 1 hour, or until the peas are wonderfully tender. Remember to season with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a bay leaf for an enhanced taste. Finally, let us add those finishing touches before serving your comforting soup. Carefully remove the bay leaf and any ham hocks from the pot. For a thicker, creamier consistency, you can mash some of the tender peas against the side of the pot with a spoon. Garnish each serving with a sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley or some crunchy croutons for an extra layer of texture and flavor. Serve your hearty split pea soup warm and enjoy this wonderfully satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.